Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Germanlingohub. In today's video, we are going to explore personal pronouns in both German and English. Personal pronouns are essential in any language, so understanding them is a crucial step in your language learning journey. Let's dive right in. Personalpronomen. Noch einmal. Personalpronomen. Singular Pronomen. Noch einmal. Singular Pronomen. First person singular. In English, when you refer to yourself, you use I. In German, it's ich. Noch einmal. Ich. For example, I'm happy in English becomes Ich bin glücklich. Noch einmal. Ich bin glücklich. Second person singular. In English, you is used for addressing someone directly. In German, it's du. Noch einmal. Du. For example, you are my friend in English becomes Du bist mein Freund. Noch einmal. Du bist mein Freund. Third person singular. Now let's learn about he, she, it. First we learn about he. In English, he is used for meals. In German, it's Noch einmal. For example, he is a teacher in English becomes ist ein Lehrer. Noch einmal. Ist ein Lehrer. Next we have she. She is used for females. In German, it's sie. Noch einmal. Sie. For example, she is a doctor in English becomes Sie ist Ärztin. Noch einmal. Sie ist Ärztin. Now let's learn about it. It is used for objects and animals. In German, it's es. Noch einmal. Es. For example, it is a book in English becomes Es ist ein Buch. Noch einmal. Es ist ein Buch. Plural Pronomen. Noch einmal. Plural Pronomen. First person plural. In English, we refers to a group including yourself. In German, it's wir. Noch einmal. Wir. For example, wir students in English becomes wir sind Studenten. Noch einmal. Wir sind Studenten. Second person plural. In English, you can also be used for addressing a group. In German, it's ihr. Noch einmal. Ihr. For example, you are friends in English becomes ihr seid Freunde. Noch einmal. Ihr seid Freunde. Third person plural. They. They refers to multiple people or things. In German, it's sie. Noch einmal. Sie. For example, they are happy becomes Sie sind glücklich. Noch einmal. Sie sind glücklich. Possessive Pronomen. Noch einmal. Possessive Pronomen. Possessive pronouns. My. In English, my shows ownership. In German, it's mine. Noch einmal. Mine. For example, my book becomes mein Buch. Noch einmal. Mein Buch. Your. In English, your also shows ownership. In German, it's dein. Noch einmal. Dein. For example, your house becomes dein Haus. Noch einmal. Dein Haus. Next we have his, her and its. In German, it's sein. Noch einmal. Sein. For example, his car becomes sein Auto. Noch einmal. Sein Auto. Now let's move to our, which is unser in German. Let's practice. Unser. Noch einmal. Unser. For example, our family becomes unser Familie. Noch einmal. Unser Familie. Der, which is ihr in German. Let's practice. Ihr. Noch einmal. Ihr. For example, their pets becomes ihr Haustier. Noch einmal. Ihr Haustier. Reflexive Pronomen. Noch einmal. Reflexive Pronomen. Now let's move to myself, which is mich in German. Let's practice. Mich. Noch einmal. Mich. For example, I'm dressing myself becomes ich ziehe mich an. Noch einmal. Ich ziehe mich an. Next we have yourself, which is dich in German. Let's practice. Dich. Noch einmal. Dich. For example, you're dressing yourself becomes du siehst dich an. Noch einmal. Du siehst dich an. Next we have himself, herself, itself, themself, which is sich in German. Let's practice. Sich. Noch einmal. Sich. In English, ourselves implies a collective action. In German, it's uns. Noch einmal. Uns. For example, we are learning ourselves in English becomes wir lernen uns selbst. Noch einmal. Wir lernen uns selbst. Great job! You have learned about pronouns and practiced using them in sentences. These pronouns are essential for discussing personal actions, self-expression, and mutual experience. Continue practicing and soon you will be using them confidently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, stay awesome. Danke fürs Zuschauen.